Just a meeting is held to the discussion.
Kind of generally briefing about the present situation in Goa, and still there are more meetings. There's all party meeting with editors, and basically the present situation, approach. Honorable Chief Minister will accordingly brief the media on the present situation in Goa. What are the present steps that we are taking? How do we move forward? So this is generally discussed because this has to be a united effort. When we say Team Goa doesn't include only the ruling party. Team Goa also includes the members of the opposition. Team Goa also includes all of us and the people of the state of
There is a talk on this when local MLA or minister ask for lockdown in certain areas. Your government is not ready to do that.
You cannot just because a statement is made, it has to be a unanimous manner. In my own constituency today, there are testing going on in a village of Shiroli. There was one positive case linked to the health worker who was in Morle. Around his whole family was found positive then. So basically you cannot go on locking down areas. You need to see that you basically the concept of screening, basically the concept of home quarantine, and also the SOPs will be announced by the Chief Minister. It has to be a community effort, and best is we have to see with the present situation in Goa how best we can move forward, and everybody has to be a part of the movement that we are. It cannot be just the government alone. It has to be even the Punch member. It has to be so Chief Minister will give a thorough briefing. He has had a long deliberation with the members of the cabinet, members informal deliberation, then members of the ruling alliance, and also now I think with the editors, and 4 o'clock is all party meeting. So basically only after all this you come to a consensus on the way forward.
As a health minister, earlier you had said there needs to be done some capping to be done at the borders and all. Even now, same like you, the MLAs are asking. Don't you think so?
I always have been giving an update of whatever from time to time is the view, is the opinion. But what happens? It has to be a unanimous kind of a decision. Chief Minister has taken everybody into confidence. We need to see what is the best mechanism for the state of Goa. But I can assure you, we have to ensure, we have to create awareness, we have to educate the people, and we have to see that with COVID, how do we live with COVID, and how do we face COVID, and how do we carry out economic activities with COVID. It is very easy to say that we can shut down various activities, but for this, I am the best person who will, after all the deliberations, I am sure all the editors also are meeting and channels are meeting Chief Minister in the evening. I think he will brief exactly on the modalities and mechanisms.
As a health minister, don't you think so? What are the latest updates as far as this? Because we have crossed more than 200 and all. Even within health workers, we positive.
Definitely, it is. I have always said that Goa cannot be insulated. Goa cannot be insulated. Goa cannot get insulated from. Goa cannot get insulated from what's happening in the country. I have always said that Goa is also a part of India, and whatever is happening, movement, all these things are going to happen. You cannot prevent people from coming into the state of Goa, but then the approach has to be decided, which is being decided. So everybody is giving his view. Once he gives his view, accordingly we will decide the best mechanism. We are having the best testing facilities in the state of Goa. Consultation is going on also to see whether in containment zone whether you can use antibody testings and various new mechanisms that are there. Let me tell you one thing. As far as the health infrastructure is concerned, Goa has got one of the finest health infrastructure. Me as a health minister, under the guidance of the Chief Minister, from time to time, we are taking all the steps that are required. Many times, when movement of goods takes place, people come from outside. We still have not come to a conclusion is where A picked up the virus or B picked up, and where clusters are there, like you see Mumbai, what is happening, where clusters are there, suddenly as a result, the government is taking a very serious putting a serious mechanism in place where we can keep monitoring of these various clusters.
At least the clusters need to be kept
all
alert.
Clusters, you cannot just go on making containment. Containment zone is made in Mangur, accordingly appropriate mechanism. Also we are trying to see whether there are companies like Portia and other things like in Delhi to manage this home quarantine and other several mechanisms to put in place. You have to, now decentralize, start decentralizing to see that the whole community is a part of this effort, to see that people who are supposed to be in home quarantine are maintaining the home quarantine protocols that are in place. So I am sure this will come.
Correct.
ना लोकांमध्ये भय चढ हा म्हणून अवेअरनेस त्या तरेचे करपाची गरज आहे. आता हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हांव भयान रावलो जाल्यार हांव खंयच्या हॉस्पिटलान पावतलो. आतां हांव सगळे कडेन पावता, सगळे कडेन मशीन आयज सांजचो GMCन वयतलो, ते मशिनां सारकी नवी मशीन कमिशन करपाचें आहा. ते कमिशन केल्या शिवाय कशें जातलें. आनी म्हणून भंय आसलो म्हणून आमी मास्क घालूंक जाय. आमी प्रत्येक आनी आतां तुमीच मिडिया पळया, तुमी कोणूच सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करिना. आतां जर तुमीच सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करिना जाल्यार मागीर लोकांक आमी कितें म्हणून सांगतले. आमी पयलीं मंत्री म्हणून पयलीं म्हाजेर टिका जाताली की हांव मास्क चड घालिना म्हणून. आतां हांव मास्क घातल्या शिवाय भायरूच सरना. पूण हें प्रत्येक मनशांनी पाळपाची गरज आहा. आयज पंच मेंबर आसूं काय पंचायत सेक्रेटरी आसूं काय आमचो सरपंच आसूं काय कावन्सिलर, म्हणून मुख्यमंत्रीन सगळ्यांची चर्चा करून सगळ्यांचे ओपिनियन घेवपाचो प्रोसेस चल्ला. Collectively, Goa has to fight COVID-19. Nobody can fight COVID-19 in parts and parcels. We are all one team. We are all one state, and we are citizens of the state of Goa. It is not COVID cannot be fought by either A party, B party, or C party, or D party. We have to fight it as a group. We are all one. We will fight COVID together, and we will win over COVID. We have had a setback because of Mangur, but I am sure we have to be ready for any kind of situation and move forward.
Mangur was a big setback.
Increase it is a setback for personally for our department also, because when spike goes up, then responsibility also goes up. Then the seriousness also of the issue goes to a different level. You have to start thinking in a different way. The protocols have to be in a different way.
You feel that when you had made your statements earlier about this capping and all,
There's no point in talking about the past.
precautions should have been taken and हे सगळं जावचें नाहलें.
तू कॅपिंग चो विषय
बॉर्डरीचेर बिकॉज मायकल लोबोय उलयल्लो तेन्ना.
कॉपिंगाचे विशय आपले ओन एरियान उरलो. कंटेनमेंट झोन हांगा जे तरेन स्पायक जाला ते आपले एरियार उरलेले आसा म्हणून
पण
म्हणटा.
ते फायनली खंय बॉर्डरी भायल्यानसानूच येयलेले तुमी मागलेले त्या प्रमाणे.
ना तशे प्रत्येक गोष्टी फाटल्या रिवर्स गियरान वचून चीफ मिनिस्टर योग्य ते स्टेटमेंट आनी ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर सांचे करतले. तुमकां एक जनरल हांवें ब्रीफ केला, पण तेजे भायर लेट अस वेट फॉर द डिस्कशन टू हॅपन विथ ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग. दे मे बी ऑल्सो हॅव्हिंग सजेशन्स. Chief Minister will talk to the editors. They may be also having suggestions, and then let's move forward.
काल कोविड
हे सारखे न्हू ह्यो गोष्टी.
पण झाले ना तसे.
माझ्या बी फोनार बी आयला.
ओके.
पण ते तसे खराब नसता न्ही ते.
हेल्थ डायरेक्टरान काल ब्रीफ करताना सांगलें की कोविड इज जस्ट अ फ्लू लायक एनी अदर फ्लू म्हणून. तो भंय तुम्ही काढलो जाल्यार तुमकां हांगासरूच सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग दिसचेना आनी तुमकां ते
ना
हॉस्पिटलान
पळय भंय काडपाचो म्हणजे डायरेक्टरान जें कितें सांगलां की रिकवरी रेट बी बरी आहा. आणि आयज कोण खंयचे तरी पेपरान आयला की एक नेगेटिव्ह जाल्लो पेशंट परत पॉझिटिव्ह जाली, ती खोटी बातमी. म्हणून तुमचे मिडियाचे सहकार्य एकदम अत्यंत गरजेची गोष्ट, कारण मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यानूच आमी लोकांक एज्युकेट करूं शकता. आयज केरी एक केस जाल्यार टोटल केरी 4 दीस लॉकडावन जाला. आतां लॉकडावन करपाची गरज ना. आयज सिमटम बी कशें आहा ते प्रत्येक मनीस TV पळयता, ताका कळटा. तो जर PHCन काय RMDन आयलो, ताका ताबडतोब आमी ताका चॅक करून आमी फुडें ताका ट्रिटमेंट दिवं शकता. आनी म्हणूनच हे सगळे प्रोटोकॉल्स मुख्यमंत्री सांचे आनी SOPs कितें ते मार्गदर्शन करतले. पूण एज हेल्थ मिनिस्टर जें कितें करूंक जाय, जे आमची टेस्टिंगची फेसिलिटी वाडोवपाची गरज आहा, जे बाकीचे गोष्टी करपाचो प्रयत्न आहा ते आमी करतले. पूण चीफ मिनिस्टर इज टेकन द इनिशिएटीव टुडे विच इज अ व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटीव टू ब्रीफ एवरीबडी, टेक एवरीबडी ऑन बोर्ड अँड मूव फॉरवर्ड.
कोविड केअर सेंटर्स
ते असिम्टोमॅटिक पेशंट
वाडयतले आनी
हय ना गरज पडल्यार. आतां गरज ना न्ही. आनी चडशे कितें आहा नवे SOPs जेन्ना येतले तुमकां एक्झॅक्टली कळटलें कितें चल्लां.
आता अरेंजमेंट किती असतली बॉर्डरीचे?
आहा ते आसतली न्ही.
थर्मल स्कॅनर
ते मुख्यमंत्री आयज सगळ्यांनी चर्चा करून डिस्कस करतले.
ओके थँक्यू.